If you're a Gmail user and reply to more than, let's say, 10 emails per day, then this video is absolutely for you. I'm going to show you how to save hours of your time and finally get AI that work for you and not against you inside Gmail. Smart Reply by Emailtree is the first tool that allows you to reply to your emails inside Gmail using the power of AI, but by drawing on your own knowledge base, meaning no more errors. This is just accurate and relevant answers. The key difference between Gemini is that Smart Reply doesn't guess, it uses exclusively the information that you provided, like your documents, FAQs, procedures, everything that makes up your company's knowledge. I created for the purpose of this video a small knowledge base for Cloud Boost solution. This is a cloud service provider, and I highlighted in green some specific content of my knowledge base, the price per user for 1 to 20 and 21 to 50. The price is different. And the price for premium support, which is $500 per month. On this Gmail account, I've sent 2 emails. One is asking the price for 15 employees, and also what if there is 21 users. And as you can see, the response from Gemini, what's your budget? I will look into this and get back to you. And yes, we can do that for you. So that's not relevant. And also on the second email, as you can see, no smart reply at all. So what we will do now is we will go into the Chrome Web Store, search for Emailtree, then you will see Smart Reply by Emailtree, which is the one that is dedicated for Gmail. You simply need to add it to Chrome, accept, then it's added. Now let's go back to Gmail. You just have to refresh the page. As you can see, there is this welcome screen, and it's basically asking you for your API key. So you just have to click here. It will open Knowledge by Emailtree. You will be able to upload your file by clicking on Upload Knowledge File. For this demo, I already uploaded the Cloud Boost knowledge base, that one. Let's go back to Gmail, open the Emailtree app, paste the API key, name it Cloud Agents, and voila, you just added your first AI agent inside Gmail. So now inside Gmail, your agent is ready to respond to email and is set up to internal knowledge only. By the way, you can switch to mixed, which will use your own knowledge and also OpenAI knowledge. If you check the knowledge file, you will see that cloudboost.txt is ready to help us. And of course, you can, if needed, upload more file. Or let's go back to the first email, asking about the price for 15 employees. What about the premium support? And by the way, a small question about 21 users. Let's click on positive reply and just wait 5 seconds. The email is ready to be sent. And as you can see here, we are saying that, okay, the price for 15 users is 120 euros and the total. And also that for 21 users, the price will be 100 euros, which is exactly what I expect based on my knowledge base. So this email is just perfect. And then they also ask about a discount. We just have a 10% referral discount now, which is somewhere in the knowledge here. So there is no discount. Sales team is not allowed to give other discounts. And so this is exactly what our AI agent is saying. We don't have any discounts available. Let's go back to the second one. If you don't want to lose time or waste time, you can click directly from the inbox, positive reply. It will open the email and then automatically, to sum up, you can install and start using the Gmail app from Emailtree in just 2 steps. Step 1, you download Smart Reply by Emailtree, and step 2, you simply upload your file and you are ready to go. One more thing that you can do, if you click on the app, then you can also add another, like this one could be support VIP, let's say, and you can enter a new API key and switch easily from one to another. You can also click on quick replies, and you will see that you can customize the way you want to respond to your email using a prompt. So for negative response, you can say write a negative but constructive and funny, why not, response. Okay, you can click save. Let's go back to the inbox. For this email, I want to say no, sorry, but with a funny tone. And you will see that I guess that the response that will be generated will be somehow funny. Yeah, see, this is using the prompt that we just set up. Now let's go back again to the app. You can also see the credits that are available inside your account. If you want to buy more, feel free, of course. You can click on buy more credits. You can start using Imagery app for free and upload somehow, let's say 5 TXT file in response to maybe 10 emails. So you will be able to see how amazing the tool is. And after that, you just have to click buy more credits, and you will be ready to go for, let's say, a month for less than 20 euros. So this is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to ask us questions and go to Chrome Web Store and download Imagery. Bye.